isolated heavy downpours are possible, but then colder air is going to stretch into the area, and that'll allow us to see a transition from rain into some snowfall. So mainly we'll be dealing with this winter-like conditions as we head into tonight and throughout Tuesday. So we need to be aware though of some icy roadways tonight and throughout all day tomorrow. We'll still hold on to some scattered snow showers throughout Tuesday. We're going to be pretty breezy today and tomorrow, so we will be having to worry about poor visibility too in terms of that blowing snow tonight and tomorrow. So here's a look at radar right now just to show that we're holding on to some scattered showers to begin the morning. They were more widespread earlier this morning. A few isolated heavy downpours are still possible as this low pressure system continues to push up to the north and the east. Back behind this system, that's when the cold air is going to enter into our area. So we are going to witness that transition from rain into snowfall later on today. We have a winter weather advisory out. This is including southern and western Pocahontas County, Greenbrier, Fayette, Raleigh, Wyoming, McDowell, and Buchanan counties. This advisory will begin at 4 p.m. and continue until 7 p.m. tomorrow. For Tazewell, Mercer, and Summers County, this advisory will begin at 1 p.m. this afternoon and continue until 4 p.m. Tuesday. We have a winter storm warning out for western and northern Pocahontas County. This will begin at 4 p.m. this afternoon and continue until 7 p.m. Tuesday evening. So here's a look at our wind gusts with this low pressure system. It's going to allow us to be pretty breezy today. We'll witness wind gusts at about 20 to 30 miles per hour, and that's what's in store tonight and throughout tomorrow. So we won't be seeing those winds calm down any, and cooler temperatures are going to enter too. That's why we'll see that transition. We're seeing our high temperatures actually this morning. By the afternoon, temperatures will fall into the 30s, and then eventually overnight tonight, we'll only have temperatures reading into the 20s and the upper teens. So we'll witness some moderate snowfall during the overnight hours. So looking at our temperatures for tomorrow, we won't warm up at all really. We'll only be sitting in the 20s and the lower 30s. Accounting for our strong winds, tomorrow most of us will only feel into the teens throughout all day. So we're talking about frigid temperatures. Let's look at our precipitation when we'll see that transition. We'll hold on to rainfall during the morning since temperatures will still be reading into the 40s. Eventually, our highest elevations will start to see that transition from rain into mixing and light snowfall in the later afternoon and the evening. By tonight, though, I think all of us will be witnessing that transition to plain snow. Do notice that snow is mainly along the western half of our viewing area. This is an upslope snow event, so the eastern side will still see a little bit of snowfall, but not as much as what we're talking about for the western half. We'll continue with scattered snow showers throughout Tuesday, and eventually overnight Tuesday into early Wednesday morning, we'll have drier conditions in place. Here's a look at those snowfall totals. We're, of course, looking at the areas north of I-64, mainly into western Pocahontas, western Greenbrier County, seeing about 4 to 7 inches of snowfall, 2 to 4 inches for the eastern Fayette and into the northern half of Raleigh County, even including parts of western Greenbrier. 1 to 3 inches is expected to the southwest. We have 1 to 2 inches along that ridge line, and then trace to 1 inch for the eastern half of the viewing area. So we're going to notice that transition later on today. Eventually, plain snow showers are in store for us tonight and throughout tomorrow. Look at those temperatures for tomorrow. Going to be cold, but eventually we'll warm up and dry things out, mainly on Wednesday.